Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you set up the wireless connection between your Portkeys monitor and your camera. In this video I'm showing you on a Sony. If you're using another camera brand or model that also supports wireless connections, should be pretty much the exact same. So the first thing I want to show you is the menu that we're using on the monitor itself. That looks like this and it's named camera. This one here is for follow focus motors, that sort of stuff, and if you're pairing those, then I think it's going to be pretty much the exact same. But we are going to be focusing on the camera side of things here, and we are using the Wi-Fi connection, so make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on, like so. Next thing we need to do is to figure out the Wi-Fi password. We're going to do that by opening up the camera menu like this. Here we want to navigate all the way down to this little globe icon right here and go to connect remote shooting, and one step next or to the right over to smartphone connection, and then down to remote shoot functions. Click OK to enter that menu, and from here on we'll scroll down to Wi-Fi direct info and click OK, or press OK I guess. Here we want to exit and go to next, and this brings up the ID of the camera and the password of the camera. Now sorry, it automatically connected because I've done this before, but what's going to happen when you bring up that menu, you can see the password. I'm going to overlay it here one more time, and on the monitor itself this little keyboard will appear where you just type in that password the exact same way with small letters, big letters, or capital letters and numbers and all that fun stuff. Otherwise it won't work. But once that password is typed in, you can go to your camera monitor, and your camera should be paired automatically. But the next time you go to my devices and tap it here if it doesn't connect automatically. But most of the time they connect automatically. If they don't, then just open up that menu on your camera, the remote shoot function, Wi-Fi direct info, exit, go to next, and that usually kind of kickstarts the pairing, or the connection. You only have to do this once with a password. After that it's gonna stay paired for the rest of both of these gadgets. It's live gadgets, yes. But my device will just click that like so. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, but now we have the connection, so we can start and stop recording. And we can change our iris, aperture, shutter speed, ISO, can control our focus or do touch focus, and control the zoom if you're using a power zoom lens, and adjust our white balance and see the media status, the battery levels, and all that fun stuff. So hopefully this will help you to get that wireless connection sorted. If it did, then let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!